welcome back to another Tuesday Tips and Tricks. This week, as you can see, we're going to be talking about making car Freshies, and specifically we're going to be giving you a couple of tips on how to check and see if your Freshies are done baking. So I've got 4 different shapes here. We've got our sunflower, llama, the fancy cross, and the unicorn, and the beads have not been baked yet. They're still loose, as you can see here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go and put these in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'm going to check them and just see if they are ready, and I will come back and show you our little trick that helps us gauge whether or not the Freshies are done baking. So we're going to go put these in the oven and we will be back. Okay, so we have pulled our car Freshies out of the oven here, and I let them cook at 350 degrees again for about 7 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to gently take the very tip of my finger. You don't want to put your whole finger down in it, but gently take the tip of your finger and just kind of touch around the top of the Freshies. And I'm not sure how well you can see this on camera. I'm gonna zoom in here. But as you can see on this sunflower here, when you touch it with your finger, it kind of sticks and pulls up. You can really see it on this cross here. See how those beads are just kind of sticking to my finger and coming up? That's not what we want. If we see that, we actually know that the Freshies need to cook just a little bit longer. So I'm going to go put them back in the oven for another 2, maybe 3 minutes at the very most. So we will be back here shortly. Okay, so these guys baked for a total of about 11 minutes. And I'm going to zoom in again so you can get a better view. We're going to zoom in. I think this will be the easiest one to see here. Okay, so all I'm going to do again is just take the tip of my finger and just kind of touch, mainly kind of in the middle, but you can see now none of those beads are sticking to the tips of my fingers. So these guys are ready to go. So all we have to do now is just let them completely cool to room temperature, and then you'll be ready to pop them out of the mold. You can drill a hole in them, use them as a little car Freshie to hang on your rearview mirror, or just pop them out of the mold and put them on your desk if you'd like to have some fragrance in your office. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Come back next week for more tips and tricks.